Hi everyone, welcome back to Module 6. In this lesson, I'm going to be sorting through the Shopify payments report in order to gather the data we'll need to start building our Shopify monthly journal entry. So this is the Excel sheet that we've downloaded from the Shopify dashboard. Quick disclosure, I'm going to assume that you do not know how to use Excel, and we'll show you step by step how to manipulate the data. If you're an Excel expert, feel free to fast forward. So what we're gonna do, we're going to select the top row, click on data, click on filter. I'm just going to delete this because we do not need it. I'm going to open this a little bit. So next, what we want to do, click on this drop down arrow for payment methods. Now, before we move forward, this specific client has the option of, has a subscription option on their Shopify store, and they want it broken down as such. So I'm going to show you how to sort through the data and reflect sales that you made through subscription versus sales that you made with just one-off purchases. Now, whenever we're building our Shopify journal entry, we only want to reflect sales made using Shopify payments. So we're going to click on this drop-down arrow and only select Shopify payments, nothing else. Click apply. Now under sales channel, we're going to again click on the drop-down arrow and we're going to select online store first. Click apply. Then under gross payment, you're going to select all the transactions, the gross sales that you're going to be reflecting in your Shopify journal entry. So this is sales before fees, before returns. Gross sales is what we always want to reflect. So I'm going to copy this number. Pro tip, I recommend that you build your journal entry in Excel prior to reflecting it in QuickBooks. So these are all the accounts that you will be needing to create your your Shopify journal entry. So what I would recommend is just clicking on this plus button, creating a sheet, which I've already done here. Then you're going to paste these accounts and then start building your journal entry in Excel. Now, online store, I already know these are one-off product purchases. So I'm going to reflect this amount. And revenue is always a credit, FYI. So now we're going to click on the drop-down arrow again, deselect online store, and we're going to select Smart. Now, Smart is an app, a Shopify app that this client is using for their subscription. That's how I know which transactions are subscriptions and which are not. And again, we're going to go from the top and drag down. Perfect. And the sum is again listed here. Alternatively, you could add this formula if you wanted to. And again, doing it step by step, assuming that you know nothing about Excel. But if you do, that's amazing. Perfect. So now we have our gross sales, which is what we need from this specific report.